If you've ever wanted to change the name of a Google Calendar, whether it's for work, school, or project, or just to keep everything more organized, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step. It's a super simple change, but knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time, especially if you manage multiple calendars. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see the section called My Calendars. Under My Calendars, you'll find the calendar or calendars you have access to. Find the one you want to rename. If you manage several calendars, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, because this change will apply to that specific calendar. Next, move your mouse over the calendar name and click the three dots icon, also called the More Options menu, right next to it. A menu will appear with a few different options. From that list, click Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that calendar, where you can customize details like visibility, notifications, and the calendar name itself. On the settings page, look for the Calendar Settings section. In that section, you'll see a field labeled Calendar Name. This is the name that appears in your calendar list, so this is the exact spot you need to edit. Click inside the name field and type in the new name you want to use. You can change it to something clearer, more professional, or more specific to the events it contains. For example, you might rename it for a team, a class, a client, or a personal schedule. Once you type the new name, there's no extra save button to press. Google Calendar saves the change automatically, so you can simply leave the page or go back to your calendar view. To confirm everything worked, return to the main calendar screen and check the left-hand sidebar. You should now see the updated calendar name reflected there right away, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Calendar name in just a few clicks. If this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.